So I first started a YouTube channel when I was 12 years old because my younger brother was diagnosed with nephrotic syndrome, and at the time I was really looking into all the different ways that I could try and help him. And so I was a young girl trying to learn as much as I could about the sciences, but what I found was that there wasn't a lot of representation of people who looked like me, who were my age, sort of sharing their opportunities and their experiences in the sciences. And so I wanted to sort of try it out for myself. So what I did is I bought a microscope and I tried creating my own microscope slides, and while I wasn't an expert in making microscope slides, it was something that I was really interested in doing, and so I started putting videos together just showing kids how to make their own microscope slides at home. And I've just continued that for the past 8 years now, and now my YouTube channel has been viewed from people all across the world. I've really been able to see the impact of how my videos have been able to show other young girls how they can also be mentors in the sciences, how they can sort of share science communication even if they're not an expert. And I think that over time, I want to continue sort of uplifting these young girls to not only pursue the sciences, but also become leaders in the sciences and become voices in the sciences and show others sort of their journey with the sciences as well. Yeah, so I think that the reason that I started my YouTube channel, even when I wasn't an expert, was just because I was really interested in it. I thought microscope slides were really cool. As a 12-year-old, I was like, I might as well just put this on YouTube. And so I think that at first it wasn't sort of a decision that I was consciously making, that I was going to be a leader in the sciences or that I wanted to show others how to do these experiments. It was just something that I thought was really cool, and I thought maybe other people my age would find interesting as well. But I think over time I've sort of realized that the impact that even just videos like that can have. And so it's really been an amazing opportunity to learn from the YouTube space and try and give back to my community, but also receive a lot of mentorship in the journey as well. So I've had a lot of feedback from young women and girls saying that they really enjoy watching my videos. I made a couple videos about nephrotic syndrome, which is the kidney condition that my younger brother has, and they've actually been used by patients to better understand their condition, especially because it's a pediatric condition. It can sometimes be hard for young kids to grasp it. And then additionally, in 2018, I was awarded the STEAM Horizons Award for my work in science communication and science outreach, and so it's really been an incredible opportunity to see how not only other kids are receptive to this, but other educators and other teachers across the province and across the province, across Canada. So the STEAM Horizon Award that I won in 2018 was really incredible because it's showcasing science communicators and how young people can communicate science and can try and give back to their community in the sciences. And so having that award and being recognized for my YouTube channel was incredible because it gave me the confidence to continue to make videos, and it also showed me that my videos were being used by others and that others thought that they were important and valuable. I think that if you have an idea that you want to share, you definitely should go ahead and do it. You don't need to be an expert to communicate what you love, you just need to be passionate about it.